Hello! In this video I would like to show you how to move through the CoinCasso cryptocurrency exchange platform and how to buy and sell on the market. If you already have a deposit, we can move to the exchange section. If you've never used a market like that before, this view may be a little confusing, so before we head to the buy and sell, I'm gonna explain some basic elements of the interface. In the top left corner you can see so-called pair. Right now it's a pair of Bitcoin to USDT. It means you can buy Bitcoins for USDT or buy USDT for Bitcoins. If you don't have any of those cryptocurrencies yet, but you have deposit in euros, you can change the pair by clicking it and then choose all the pairs connected with euros. As you can see, at this moment you can exchange euros for Bitcoin, Ethereum and USDT. In this example, I'm gonna use Bitcoin, so let's click first position on the list. On the chart you can see history of changes in the Bitcoin price over time. The last price position represents the price in the very last transaction made on the market. The whole list of the transactions history is also available on the right side of the screen. Next section shows the change in the Bitcoin price in the last 24 hours. Right now it's about minus 0.5%, which means that in the last day the price dropped by 46 euros. Next two sections show the lowest and the highest price that was reached in the last 24 hours. Last thing that we need to talk about before we go to how to buy and sell is market orders. Red numbers are current sale offers on the market. The price column represents the full Bitcoin price that the user wants to sell for. In the amount column we can see how many Bitcoins we can buy at a given price, and in total column we can see total price to pay if we decide to buy. You will always find the cheapest offers at the bottom, while the more expensive will be listed higher. Green numbers are current purchase offers. Here, just like before, offers with the lowest price are listed at the bottom, and offers with the highest price are listed at the top. So as you can see, if we would like to sell Bitcoin right now, the highest price that someone is able to pay is 8,650 euros. Let's now head to the buy and sell option. First section allows us to buy Bitcoins for euros and also shows our euros balance, and second section allows us to sell Bitcoins for euros and also shows us our Bitcoin balance. If we want to make a purchase, we must first enter the price at which we want to make the transaction. The price can be entered manually from the keyboard or by clicking one of the listed sell offers. Then we need to enter amount of Bitcoin that we want to buy. You can also use the percentage icon to automatically calculate how many Bitcoins you can buy for a certain amount of your funds. The total field shows the summary of our transaction. Below you can also find the fee amount that exchange will charge you for making a purchase. In the case of sale, we do everything the same. We enter the price of the Bitcoin at which we want to sell, enter how many Bitcoins we want to sell or use percentage icon, and put our offer to the market. If you have never used the exchange before, let me tell you why do we put an offers to the market at all. This is not a traditional exchange office where you can buy or sell currencies at a fixed price. On the exchange, transactions are made between users, so they are who decide about at what price they want to buy or sell currencies they own. For example, if I don't want to buy a Bitcoin for 8,700 euros, I can make purchase offer to buy for 8,500 euros. However, putting my offer to the market doesn't mean that I'll be able to buy at this price. The offer will hang there until the Bitcoin price starts to fall and offers with lower price begin to appear. Remember that you can also cancel your offer at any time. If it's still too complicated for you, you can use the Market tab. It is used for making quick purchases or sales without placing a specific offer to the market. In this case, you just need to enter the amount of euros that you want to spend and transaction will be made immediately based on the currently available sales offers. The same happens in case of selling. We just enter how many bitcoins we want to sell, and the transaction will be made immediately based on the currently available purchase offers. However, it is still better to place offers by yourself. When using a market option, we don't have control over the price at which the transaction will be made, and it may turn out to be unprofitable for us.